TALOYA C2 Series LED ceiling light 20 watt. Narrow edge design makes it wider illumination area, further increase brightness output. 2.4 cm, around 1 inch thickness only. Exclusive design of mounting system makes it fast installation. Ultra slim body gives it recessed look. Low profile design embedded showroom ceiling, which makes it wider application. Excellent dust-proof design. No flyers or dust would go inside. Long time usage. Clean as always. Product body one-time injection processing instead of coated painting. Even you scratch the surface, the body color will not decay. Long time usage, the body remains brand new as always. High quality of plastic material makes it outstanding fire resistance performance, protect your family's safety. Exclusive design of 3 color temperatures in one product. Separate the mounting base, rotated anti-clockwise. W. Warm white 3000K. N. Neutral white 4000K. C. Daylight white 6000K. Slide the button easily, choose your favorite color temperature to fit your room. Fix the mounting base in the junction box with 2 flat head screws. Unique design of mounting base is fit for most standard junction boxes. Installation of the base is done in 1 minute. Connect the complementary fast wiring connectors with the AC wires. Black to black, white to white. Complete the wiring connection in 1 minute individually. Rotated clockwise, installation done. Slide the button to choose your favorite color temperature. Turn it on. Modern style, easy look, good look. Real DIY, labor cost free. Thanks for your watching. TALOYA LED is not only your light, but also your attitude towards life.